Well, let's see if we have any mail today. Let's check the mailbox here and see if we got the mail here. Let's see here. What's that? It's a dead duck. There's a dead duck here. The chances of that. Come here, Billy. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Look at the dead duck. Might not be dead, Billy. Probably get some kind of bird flu or something. Come on.